Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character fa step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Okay, let's get started. Fa. This is a polyphone. It's pronounced as fa or fa. 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 As fa means to send out. To show. As fa means hair. Hair. Let's look at some examples. 发现 to find. 发型 发型 hairstyle. Hairstyle. Here's a sentence. I like your new hairstyle. I like your new hairstyle. 我喜欢你的新发型。我喜欢你的新发型。我喜欢你的新发型。I like your new hairstyle. Now let's write fa in cursive. Fa. Fa. Fa, to send out, to show. Fa, hair. 发现, to find. 发型, hairstyle. I like your new hairstyle. 我喜欢你的新发型。Please comment any words or sentence with fa. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.